Hey guys, thanks for watching again. I want to bring it to you something new again. So a couple of weeks ago, you probably remember I've demonstrated a cold start for a similar 32 billion parameter model, which took about a 1.5 second. So at InferX, we've been we continue to improving the performance. Today I would like to show you the cold start performance improvement. I mean, how much it's changed. So this is a 32 billion parameter model, and it's a full model. It's not quantized. It's going to take about a 64 gigabytes of memory and the VRAM. And we are running it on a H100. Just so I'm sure you must have seen a lot of cold start demonstrations out there, like some people just loading the model and saying it a cold start, or just starting the container and calling it a cold start. But in this case, I would like to tell you that this is a complete cold start, basically from the prompt given all the way up to the time to first token. That is exactly the cold start. So within this period, it's starting the container and then loading the model and the CUDA context and the CUDA graphs and everything, and then giving you the first tokens here. So let's see how long it takes for the 32 billion parameter to load the model. So this is currently sitting in the CPU memory, and then we will bring it to the VRAM and see how long it takes. Let's go. Let's give it a go. That's about it. Did you see that? This literally, it's about a 900 milliseconds. That's zero point 0.9 seconds. That's how fast it is. I mean, even we can believe. I mean, we've been trying to improve the performance, obviously, every day here at InferX. Let's see. I would like to show you the warm start after it's gotten to the end of the token generation, and then you will see the difference between the cold start and the warm start as well. And now let's give it a go again. And this is going to be the warm start. Boom, that's about it. So because it's already sitting in the VRAM, so that's why it's super fast now. And yeah, that's about it. Again, like I said, this is a 32 billion parameter model. It's not quantized, and we are running it on H100. This is the actual code start all the way from prompt given to the time to first token, not simply container start or model loading or just any of that. So it's a complete cold start to time to first token. Thanks for watching.